What if you could hire someone for $50 a month who never sleeps, never forgets, and gets better every single week? That's exactly what I did. I'm building a funeral security services directory. Sounds niche, right? But it needed a database of providers across 3 countries, outreach emails, ad creatives, CRM workflows, and promo videos. That's a lot of work for one person. So I handed the whole thing to Victor, my AI co-worker. Within days, it had researched and added over 160 security providers across the US, UK, and New Zealand. It cleaned the data, wrote professional outreach emails, and built the entire CRM workflow. Then I asked it to create promotional videos. It wrote the scripts, generated them using my AI avatar, designed thumbnails, and uploaded everything to YouTube completely hands-free. In fact, this video you're watching right now was scripted, produced, and uploaded by Victor. No editing software, no freelancers, just a message in Slack. Try it yourself. Links in the description.